video, we'll explain the benefits of choosing a 300G Encore washing machine. What is 300G? G-force is the force of gravity. 300 G-force extraction is our high-speed technology used to help remove as much moisture as possible from your laundry, saving on energy. Your laundry has less moisture when it comes out of the washer, so it doesn't require as much time in the dryer. That equals greater savings for you. With Encore, your clothing will stay in excellent shape. More water and soap are removed from the laundry in the washing process. Once clean, laundry will smell better and feel softer than ever. Best of all, your Encore washer is built to outlast its competition. This machine can handle up to 15,000 loads of laundry before it requires any maintenance. That's 3 times greater than competing models. With our 300 G-force extraction, you get the best wash results around. That's the Encore Professional Advantage.